Hello everyone, this is Aaron with Callisto Pro EMR. This video is going to be on the invoices section of the patient dashboard. So first navigate to the dashboard and scroll all the way down to the invoices and authorized payment section. Click view more information, and before we go over anything we see here on this screen, let's create an invoice first. Add invoice, and then here we see the patient information and the facility information. You would then select a provider, and then over here is where you're going to manually add any services, products, and packages to the invoice. So when you select any of them, for example, you're going to see the service price, and that's going to be automatically populated based on what you had originally set it as. You're able to change it on the fly, as well as the quantity amount. You can add multiple services, and you can mix and match between the services, products, and packages. So for example, let's do cream 1, let's make it 40, 2, and once you're done adding everything, click calculate. And so here's where you have your totals, and then please note that the sales tax gets automatically calculated based off of what we have in our backend. And as for the different discounts you can apply, the first type is via the individual service, product, and package discount lines right here. So by toggle this as yes, I can select a discount amount. So I'll say 20. You can have it as a flat dollar amount or a percentage amount, and then you can select the discount reason. So for example, let's say this, and then you can add to those drop downs by going to backend discount reasons. The next one is the e-gift card and membership discount. So this person doesn't have either, but if they did, the e-gift card one will be available here for them to draw any amount from. If they had a membership, then they'll be able to get the discount that you had set on here, as well as use any of the bank credits. And then you can even add an additional discount by clicking right here. And then you can do the same thing where you add a amount and then flat dollar or percentage type. And once you're done with everything, just click calculate again, and then you can also have anything here in the additional notes section. Once you're done, click save, and this is how the invoices look like. You can clearly see everything, as well as the total amount, and then the discount, and then the taxes, and the actual total, which will be invoiced. You can also click the detailed invoice button to view the invoice in a more detailed manner, which includes the breakdown of each service, product, or package. For example, if I click, I can see the specific discount I gave on Botox, including the amount and reason. And then you can print the invoice, or you can email it to them as a receipt. And if you are integrated with Authorize.net, which is a third-party merchant service we work with, you'll have the ability to send payment links via email and SMS, as well as have access to the membership and e-gift card features. So this is completely optional, and at the time of this recording, it is an additional $12 a month, but the percentage on transaction is about 1.8 to 1.9%, which is highly competitive. And if you are interested, please reach out to our support team and we can help you get signed up. If you are integrated or authorized, you can click these payment links down below, which will send a link to the patient. And once they click on it, they'll be prompted to enter their card details. If the invoice is fully paid, then the invoice will automatically update the status as paid. Otherwise, if you're using cash or another merchant service, then you'll need to manually mark the invoices as paid after creating them. And you can do so by clicking the pay button. So from here, it's going to show the total amount that needs to get paid. And then you can enter how much you would like to pay, which means that we allow for partial payments as well. But if in case you want to pay the entire thing, just write 16680. We're not going to pay this one off yet, but just want to show how it looks like. You'll be able to then select the payment type amount. So if I'm using like a Visa card, right? And if you are integrated authorized, then you can just check off make an authorized payment, enter their credit card number. But otherwise, if you're not if you're just using another merchant service or they're paying in cash, then you can just click pay 16680, right? And then once you've done that, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, but let's just save this for now. Let's go back. And these are the invoices that we have. This is the one we just made. And from here, you'll see everything, right? You see the invoice ID, the name of all the services attached, the total amount invoiced, how much is due, what discounts you gave, e-gift card, and then the payment status and the payment date, as well as when it was created. So over here, we have a lot of different options for what we can do based on the payment status. If the invoice has not been paid yet, then you can view, edit, you can send the payment links again, via the email or SMS options, or you can delete it. If it has been partially paid, then you're no longer able to edit, but instead can view the payment history, which shows the type, amount, and timestamp. And then you can also send the payment links for the remaining amount. And if it has been fully paid, then you can view the invoice, view the payment history right here. And if you have received payment via authorized, there's also going to be a refund option. And as for payment history, this is how it looks like. It's going to show the type, the amount, and then the timestamp of when it was paid. Then you can search invoices by their ID. You can toggle between the general invoices and membership invoices, as well as the authorized payments or bank credits, just to see what they're working with. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.